Have you ever watched an RC car launch off a dirt jump, stick the landing, and thought, there's no way that's just a toy? That's exactly what makes today's hobby-grade RC cars so incredible. In 2026, they're faster, tougher, and more realistic than ever, packing brushless motors, advanced suspension, waterproof electronics, and all-terrain capability that make them feel like miniature race machines. The hobby has exploded in popularity, with manufacturers pushing performance to new heights across every category. So, I spent hours researching the latest models to bring you 10 incredible RC cars that are truly worth every dollar. Whether you're chasing insane speed, unstoppable off-road performance, or realistic rock crawling, this countdown has something for every RC fan. Stick around until the end, because my number one pick completely blew me away. Let's jump right into it. Traxxas 2 WD Brushless. The Traxxas 2 WD Brushless is the kind of RC truck that makes you want to find the nearest dirt track the moment you take it out of the box. Built in a 1/10 scale short course platform, it packs a brushless power system, rear-wheel drive, waterproof electronics, and a rugged suspension that shrugs off big jumps and rough landings. On a 2S LiPo, it blasts past 35 miles per hour, while a 3S LiPo unlocks speeds of 50+ miles per hour, making every run feel like a real off-road race. Starting at around $330, it delivers incredible durability, thrilling performance, and endless upgrade potential, making it one of the best values in hobby-grade RC trucks today. ARRMA Mini Kraton 3SBLX. If you're after a compact RC truck that delivers big-scale excitement, the ARRMA Mini Kraton 3SBLX is hard to ignore. This 1/16 scale 4WD monster truck packs a Spectrum 3000 kV brushless motor, a 40-amp waterproof ESC, oil-filled aluminum shocks, and ARRMA's new PowerGuard system, letting you switch between a beginner-friendly mode and a full-power chaos mode. On a 3S LiPo, it can rocket past 50 miles per hour, while its reinforced chassis is built to handle jumps, flips, and brutal landings with ease. Starting at around $299.99 for the RTR version, it offers incredible performance in a backpack-friendly size, proving that big fun really can come in a small package. Losi 5 IVE-TE 3.0 1/5 scale electric 4WD. The Losi 5 IVE-TE 3.0 isn't just another RC truck. It's an absolute giant that demands attention the moment it hits the ground. Built on a massive 1/5 scale 4WD platform, it features a Spectrum 560 kV brushless motor, a 250 amp smart ESC, huge 32mm big bore oil-filled shocks, and the industry's first 12S-ready power system. Feed it dual 6 SLIPO batteries, and this desert truck rockets past 50 miles per hour, while soaking up rough terrain with ease. Starting at around $1,499.99, it's a serious investment. But if you want one of the biggest, fastest, and most capable ready-to-run RC trucks ever built, the 5 IVE-TE 3.0 delivers every dollar's worth. Kyosho FAZER D2 Series. The Kyosho FAZER D2 Series is built for anyone who dreams of mastering the art of drifting. Unlike typical RC cars, this 1/10 scale 2 WDRWD drift machine is designed to slide through corners with realistic countersteering action, making every run feel like a miniature Formula Drift event. It comes as a ready-to-run package, with detailed bodies like the Toyota 86 GT and AE 86, plus a specially developed drift chassis and updated electronics. With a price around $285, it delivers an impressive balance of realism, performance, and beginner-friendly control. Whether you're new to RC drifting or looking for a fun upgrade platform, the FAZER D2 brings serious style and excitement. Axial S CX24 RC Chevy C10. The Axial S CX24 RC Chevy C10 proves that great RC adventures don't always need a huge machine. This tiny 1/24 scale 4WD Crawler brings classic pickup style with a realistic 1967 Chevrolet C10 body, full-time four-wheel drive, a 180 size brushed motor, 2S 350 mAh LiPo battery, and a capable 3-link front and 4-link rear suspension setup. What makes it special is how easily it turns your backyard, desk, or living room into a challenging off-road trail. With a price around $149.99, it's affordable, customizable, and perfect for beginners or experienced crawlers who want big fun in a small package. The SCX-24. Chevy C10 is proof that size doesn't limit excitement. Traxxas RUSTLER 2 WD Brushless. The Traxxas RUSTLER 2 WD Brushless is the kind of RC truck that puts a smile on your face the second you hit the throttle. Built on a 1/10 scale stadium truck platform, it combines a lightweight design with a powerful brushless motor, waterproof electronics, and rear-wheel drive for exciting wheelies, jumps, and high-speed action. With a 2S LiPo battery, it can reach over 40 miles per hour, while upgraded setups can push performance even further. Its durable chassis and easy upgrade options make it perfect for beginners and experienced hobbyists. Starting around $269.95, the RUSTLER delivers an amazing balance of speed, durability, and fun, proving why it remains one of Traxxas's most popular RC trucks. ARRMA TALION 6SEXB. The ARRMA TALION 6SEXB is what happens when an RC truck is built with one goal in mind: extreme speed without sacrificing strength. The moment you hit the throttle, this 1/8 scale 4WD speed truggy feels more like a miniature race machine than a hobby toy. It comes equipped with a Spectrum Firma 2050 kV brushless motor, 150 amp waterproof ESC 7075 T6 aluminum EXB chassis components, and heavy-duty suspension parts designed for brutal bashing. With a 6S LiPo battery, it can reach speeds of 70+ miles per hour, turning dirt tracks and open fields into your personal race course. Priced around $729 to $829, the TALION 6SEXB is expensive. But for serious RC enthusiasts, its performance and durability make every dollar count. Axial S CX30 Chevy K10. The Axial S CX30 Chevy K10 proves that an RC crawler doesn't need to be huge to deliver serious fun. This 1/30 scale 4WD rock crawler brings classic truck style with a realistic Chevrolet K10 ABS hard body, Axial 65T brushed motor, Spectrum electronics, 2S LiPo battery, and rugged crawler features like high clearance links and Interco Super Swamper tires. What surprised me most is how capable this little machine feels on rocks, dirt, and even indoor obstacles. At around $99.99, it comes ready to run with battery and charger included, making it one of the best entry points into the RC crawling world. The SCX30 Chevy K10 delivers big adventure in a tiny package. Redcat Vertex 10 Wide 1/10 RTR Crawler. The Redcat Vertex 10 Wide is built for RC fans who want to conquer challenging terrain with confidence. This 1/10 scale 4WD crawler features a wide 330mm wheelbase, 3mm carbon fiber chassis, high clearance geometry, and massive 5.25-inch tires on 2.2-inch beadlock wheels that help it stay planted on steep climbs and rocky trails. Under the hood, it uses a Hobbywing 1700 kV brushless outrunner motor, 60 amp ESC, and a powerful 50 kilogram brushless servo for precise control. With a price around $529.99, it's not the cheapest crawler, but the stability, premium components, and serious off-road capability make it a machine built for enthusiasts who want performance without compromise. Traxxas Nissan 24 OSX. Ultra-realistic, gigantic RC off-road car. Futuristic high-performance design. bright metallic yellow body with black accents, massive oversized all-terrain tires with deep aggressive tread pattern, capable of 70 miles per hour speed, advanced independent suspension system, aerodynamic angular body panels, LED light bars, exposed shock absorbers, rugged race-inspired chassis, premium RC engineering, parked on an asphalt road, large gray concrete wall in the background, industrial urban setting, cinematic low-angle view, shallow depth of field, ultra-detailed textures, photorealistic, HDR lighting, sharp focus, realistic shadows, 8K resolution, professional automotive photography, highly realistic, no people, no text, no logos.